ये विंडमिल पीछे बैकग्राउंड में है ना, वैसे इंट्रो शूट करना है।
पर ये मेन रोड पे डिफिकल्ट नहीं हो जाएगा?
देखते हैं। अगर मैं यहाँ से करूँ तो
हाँ,
तो इतना आ रहा है मुझे,
पेट तक आ रहा है।
पेट तक आ रहा है ना। हाँ ठीक है, और वो पीछे वो आ रहा है।
हाँ,
पूरा ठीक है, बंद करो। Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A new day, a new town in southern part of India. And this time we are on a road trip. In this road trip, we are mainly going to cover three major towns of Tamil Nadu, which is Kanyakumari, Rameshwaram and Madurai. So journey from Bangalore is quite a bit if you consider all these three cities. So we decided to take a stop at one of the small cities near Madurai called Dindigul. Dindigul is spread in a radius of not more than 2 to 3 kilometers. We started today morning from Dindigul and right now we are on our way to Nagarcoil. Nagarcoil is basically the largest district and the most southern part of the country. It is almost around 20 kilometers from Kanyakumari, but has a lot of cinematic places, as something that you can see around me. So yes, this is just the start of our journey. Come join us for rest of it. ऑल राइट, इट्स फाइन इन द इवनिंग. हम लोग नागरकोइल में चेक इन कर चुके हैं. वी रीच्ड हियर एट अराउंड 3 in the afternoon. We are very tired. We took some rest. It's almost around 5 in the evening right now. और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं मट्टम बीच to watch sunset and take some really nice shots of the sunset. Sunset शायद 6-6:30 के आसपास होना चाहिए and the place is almost around half an hour away from here. So we look forward to catch almost around 30 minutes of good sunset light before that. So yeah, let's go. We resumed our early morning routine on day 2 after calling it a day early on day 1. After a peaceful 30-minute drive, we are at Kolachal Beach. and even this beach is as mad as Mattam beach. After this amazing morning, we came back to our hotel to grab some breakfast so that we can quickly venture out to explore the rest of the city. Other than one or two specific places that we saw on Instagram, we just wanted to explore the scenic beauty and soak in the vibe of this amazing place by just driving around. So after driving around for almost half a day, we reached Chittar Lake, which was indeed the best way we could have ended exploring Nagarcoil. Chittar Lake is one of the largest lakes around this part, which also has a dam attached to it, wherein a nice pathway is also carved for the tourist. Speaking of pathways, there is a road surrounding the lake, which is by far the best road to drive on. So this was it from Nagarcoil. Tomorrow morning, we head on to our first destination of the trip and the last point of India. Yes, Kanyakumari. So stay tuned for our next video and subscribe to our channel if you still haven't.
Welcome back to our channel. Chalu rakhna. We started from Bangalore yesterday and we took a break. And we are going to all the cinematic places which are
बंद करो एक मिनट
हाँ